Hello and welcome to English class standard 12th. In today's class we will be studying synopsis of Around the World in 80 Days. Synopsis of the extract is limited to chapter 34, 35, 36 and 37. So, are you ready? I know you are. So let's begin this way and start. We will start with the synopsis right from the beginning of the novel. Synopsis is a short summary of the plot of the novel. Synopsis of the story Around the World in 80 Days is as follows. Around the World in 80 Days is the story of Phileas Fogg, a London gentleman who is wealthy and single. Around the World in 80 Days begins at the Reform Club with Phileas Fogg, Thomas Flanagan, Samuel Fallentin, John Suevlin sitting by the fireplace reading newspaper. Phileas Fogg has fired his butler, James Foster, and has hired Passepartout and is expected to begin his work immediately. On the other hand, in the Reform Club, Fogg, Flanagan, Fallentin are talking about a recent bank robbery, and then their conversation is led to a wager. Fogg is quite sure that he can travel around the world in 80 days, but Suevlin and other members of the Reform Club does not believe that it can be done within 80 days. All of them have a discussion and it leads to a wager of £20,000. This is the beginning of the entire plot, and from then on we see how Fogg goes around the world and we witness amazing adventures that he has with his companions. Detective Fix is looking for the bank robber who has stolen £20,000 from the Bank of England. Coincidentally, the bank robber looks similar to Fogg, so Detective Fix mistakes Fogg as the bank robber and starts following him. As Mr. Fix is not having the warrant, so he joins Fogg in his tour from Bombay. Fix gets friendly with Passepartout during the journey, but he does not tell him the reason as to why he has joined their tour. As we all know that synopsis is a brief summary of the plot of novel. The main plot is based on Fogg's travel, and we should remember that it is not on Fix following Fogg. The subplot surrounds the suspicion that Fogg might be a clever robber. Detective Fix has already given the idea to Passepartout that he is following Fogg under the suspicion that he is a bank robber. But Passepartout too wonders whether his master is a robber. He thinks that he is not a robber. Now coming to the main plot where Fogg actually has to face several obstructions to reach London at the earliest. There are several places along which Fogg travels. He starts with Brindisi, Suez, Bombay, Calcutta, Hong Kong, Yokohama, San Francisco, New York, Liverpool. While rushing to London, when they reached Liverpool, Fogg is arrested by Fix and then he is put in jail. Now, because of this arrest, Fogg's plan to reach London is delayed. After a few hours, the actual robber is arrested, and now Fix realizes that he has wrongly arrested Fogg. Fogg is released from the prison, and now Fogg rushes to London through a special train hired by him. But the train reaches London 10 minutes before 9, whereas they had to reach 15 minutes to 9, which means he had made the tour of the world 5 minutes behindhand. He had lost the wager only by 5 minutes late. Phileas Fogg, Oda, and Passepartout were disheartened to reach late. They had no other option left with them than to go home empty-handed. Disappointedly, Phileas, reaching home, locks himself into the room, and Oda and Passepartout are totally worried for him. The next evening, Fogg says sorry to Oda and apologizes her, but she in turn proposes a marriage to him, and Passepartout is sent to engage a clergyman for their marriage. When Passepartout rushes to the clergyman, in reality Passepartout finds that they have mistaken the days, and it was Saturday on that day, the day on which they had to arrive. Fogg, his master, has forgotten to calculate the time they have gained by travelling through the time zones. He had learned that they had gained a day, and they are not late. They are actually 24 hours ahead of time. As soon as Fogg realizes the fact that they are not late, he rushes home, grabs Fogg, and Fogg reaches Reform Club in time to win the wager. He is rich once again and has won the heart of a charming young woman, Oda. Here we come to an end of the story, Around the World in 80 Days. With this, we have done with the synopsis of Around the World in 80 Days. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. So friends, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share the video, and also to like the video. Thanks for watching.